today I want us to look at how we use the micropipette. So this is a micropipette. This is a micropipette. Now it has different ranges. So we have those of say 0 to 100 and 0 to 50. So but this type is 0 to 100 microliter. So you have it written here. So this is 0 to 50 microliter. Then if you want to, in the lab, if you want to take measurement of volumes of liquids for your particles. So what you do is to get know the required volume you are using. Okay, say I want to take 67 microliter, for example. Now I'm taking 67 microliter, but my range is 50. That is the maximum here is 50 microliter. So what I do is I will do 50 first. I will adjust it. This is the adjustment dial. So the adjustment dial is here. I will now set it here. I will be looking at this interface to see it move to 50. So this is 50 microliter, as is seen here. Then I will now have to fix a tip. We have different tips. We have the P10, P20 in that order. So, but this P10 should be able to take care of the volume I want. So I will mount it this way here. So then we dip it gently into the liquid, just halfway into the liquid. Then we plunge the plunger. This is the plungers now. So we press to the first stop. There are two stops. So we press to the first stop. Then we release it gently. So when we release gently, we take the liquid. Then ensure that the liquid, the vessel that I want to receive it, the receiving vessel is already labeled. So it's labeled appropriately with the right treatment you are using, the right chemical. So make sure it's already labeled. So I label it now. Then I will release it gently to the first stop, and press the plunger to the first stop. Then I will now press it to the end, that is to the second stop. So that second stop will make sure that everything in the tip is released. So that is how it works. Then on the long run, I want to take the second measurement now. I will now adjust it again. You remember I said I want to take 67 microliters. So I've taken 50. Now I want to take 17. So to make it 67, since I need a volume of 67, so I will adjust this now back to using the adjustment dial now. I will adjust it to 17 microliters. So this is 17 microliter. Then I will press the plunger into the liquid halfway. Gently, I'll be releasing it. I'll press to the first stop, then I release it gently in that order. So I've taken the volume of the liquid I want now. I will take it here, put the tip close to the side, the inner side of the canister of the receiving vessel. So I press it down to the first stop, then finally to the second stop, to make sure that all the liquid in the tip is removed. Then on the long run, then cover up your the treatment in case it is a volatile one or it's not so stable. So it depends on it. Then use it. Then in some cases there are some of those chemicals that may have effervescence. So mean that your personal protective equipment will include not just the lab coat gloves. It will also now include your nose mask in case you have a chemical that is poisonous or that is having much of a effervescence. So that is how the micropipette is used. So thank you.